Have you ever wondered why some people seem to navigate life as if they possess a secret map to success, while others remain trapped in an endless cycle of financial struggles? What if I told you that the true key to financial freedom isn't about landing the dream job, but lies in something far greater? Today, you're not just going to hear advice, you'll experience a transformation. Elon Musk, one of the greatest visionaries of our time, believes that relying on a job is the recipe for limiting your potential. And he's absolutely right. Prepare yourself to uncover truths that will challenge everything you think you know about work, money, and success. Every word in this narrative is designed to open your mind and ignite a fire within you. Because when you stop searching for a job and start creating your own path, extraordinary things begin to happen. Grab a notebook, take notes, and get ready, because your journey to financial freedom begins today. The fixed salary, a gift or a golden cage? From an early age, we are taught that life follows a predictable pattern: study, get a job, work hard, and retire. But few people stop to question why so many who follow this path still struggle financially. The problem with fixed salaries: while a salary may seem like the solution to financial problems, it's often a cleverly disguised trap. You trade time for money, and time is a finite resource. You live paycheck to paycheck. Saving or investing can feel nearly impossible. You are at the mercy of your employer. Your job can be cut at any moment. What does a salary truly represent? Think about it. When you sell your hour for a fixed rate, you are essentially renting out your life. You give your employer your time, energy, and skills, but only receive a fraction of the value you generate for the company. Before becoming a billionaire, Elon Musk realized that working for others wouldn't be enough to create the kind of impact he dreamed of. That realization led him to build something of his own. How to break free from the cycle. Think beyond the salary. What value can you create outside of a traditional job? Develop skills that enable you to create independent solutions. Design a financial plan to invest in your ideas or projects. The changing job market, the era of digital opportunities. The real value of ideas. Action, not just imagination. Millions of ideas are conceived daily, but only a fraction of them turn into reality. The difference between a brilliant idea and a transformative innovation can be summed up in one word: action. Why ideas alone aren't enough. Ideas don't generate results. Execution is what creates real-world impact. The market rewards solutions, not intentions. If you don't act, someone else will. Action breeds learning. Even failure provides valuable lessons for future success. An inspirational example: Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs wasn't the first person to think about digital music, but he was the one who acted. He transformed the concept into the iPod, then paired it with the iTunes platform, revolutionizing the music industry. Later, he did the same with the iPhone, reshaping technology forever. How to bring your ideas to life. Create a simple plan. Outline the first actionable steps. Leverage existing resources. Don't wait for perfect conditions to begin. Build a team. Surround yourself with people whose skills complement yours to accelerate execution. The world isn't just changing, it's evolving at lightning speed. Traditional jobs are disappearing, but new opportunities are emerging at an unprecedented pace. The decline of traditional employment. Automation. Machines are replacing workers in repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence. Advanced systems are taking over even creative roles. Globalized economy. Companies now source talent worldwide, creating fierce competition. But there's a new era rising, and you can be part of it. The digital opportunity revolution. Today, building a digital business is more accessible than ever, with minimal startup costs. E-commerce platforms. Sites like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify let you sell to millions. Social media. Powerful tools for building an audience and monetizing it. Remote work eliminates geographic barriers, connecting you to global clients. An inspirational example. During the pandemic, many physical businesses faced losses, but digital entrepreneurs thrived. Ordinary people started selling online courses, handmade products, or freelance services, generating incomes that surpassed their previous salaries. How can you start? Educate yourself on digital trends, explore dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or content creation. Align with your passions, focus on areas that match your skills and interests. Start small, but start now. Action beats perfection every time. Turning crises into opportunities, the art of seeing beyond problems. Crises have always been a part of life and will continue to be. The key difference between those who thrive and those who falter lies in how they perceive and respond to these challenges. Why crises are opportunities. They reveal problems that need solving. Every market issue is a chance for innovation. They eliminate weak competition. Those who adapt during crises emerge stronger to dominate the market. They spark creativity. The urgency to survive drives people to think outside the box. An inspirational example, Airbnb during the 2008 financial crisis. In the midst of the 2008 recession, 3 friends struggled to pay their rent. Instead of succumbing to defeat, they transformed their predicament into a business idea by renting air mattresses in their living room to tourists. This small solution eventually grew into Airbnb, one of the largest hospitality platforms in the world. How can you do the same? Identify local problems. What products or services are missing in your area? Think of simple, creative solutions. Sometimes the simplest ideas have the greatest impact. Start small and scale. A local solution can grow into a global success over time. Crises aren't the end, they're the beginning of something greater for those bold enough to see beyond the chaos. Building multiple income streams, the key to stability and growth. Relying on just one source of income is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Billionaires understand this and always diversify their revenue streams. Why multiple income streams matter? They reduce risks. If one source fails, others provide stability. They accelerate financial growth. Diversification enables you to tap into multiple market opportunities. They grant freedom. You're no longer tied to a single employer or industry. An inspirational example, Elon Musk. Elon Musk operates multiple ventures simultaneously: Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. Each one spans different industries, protecting him from market fluctuations and amplifying his global impact. How to build your income streams. Start small with a side hustle, freelance work, online sales, or content creation. Invest in passive income assets, rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or mutual funds. Reinvest profits. Use earnings to expand or diversify further. Depending on a single income source is an unnecessary risk. Diversifying your revenue streams builds stability and paves the way for long-term prosperity. Surrounding yourself with the right people, the impact of your environment on success. You may have heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a practical truth. Your environment shapes your decisions, attitudes, and ultimately, your outcomes. Why your social circle matters. Inspiration or stagnation. The people around you can either push you forward or hold you back. Support in tough times. The right connections help you navigate challenges more effectively. Knowledge sharing. Being surrounded by experts accelerates your learning curve. An inspirational example, the mastermind of Henry Ford. Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Harvey Firestone regularly exchanged ideas in a group setting. This collaboration was instrumental in their individual successes and fueled their innovations. How to build your circle of success. Join professional communities, attend workshops, networking events, and conferences. Learn from the best. Watch talks, read books, and study the strategies of successful entrepreneurs. Avoid negative influences. Minimize interactions with people who constantly discourage or criticize your ideas. Success is rarely achieved in isolation. Your network can be the bridge to extraordinary opportunities. The importance of investing in yourself. Your greatest asset is you. The world's most successful entrepreneurs and visionaries understand a fundamental truth. Before investing in businesses or stocks, you need to invest in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and mindset form the foundation of everything you will build. Why investing in yourself is crucial. Increases your market value. The more you know, the more value you can bring, and the greater your rewards. Improves decision-making. Knowledge reduces uncertainty and enables smarter choices. Builds resilience. With skills and self-confidence, you can adapt more easily to change. An inspirational example, Warren Buffett and his reading habit. Warren Buffett, one of the richest individuals globally, spends 5 to 6 hours daily reading. He likens knowledge to compound interest. The more you invest, the greater your long-term returns. How to invest in yourself. Commit to continuous education. Take courses, attend workshops, and read industry-relevant materials. Develop practical skills, from time management to technical expertise that sets you apart. Seek mentors. Learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Your most valuable investment is always in your personal growth. The more you evolve, the greater your capacity to achieve success. Time management, the secret to doing more with less. Time is a finite resource and paradoxically one of the most wasted. Billionaires like Elon Musk master the art of time management, squeezing maximum productivity and results from every minute. Why time is more valuable than money? It can't be recovered. Once lost, it's gone forever. It directs all other actions. Well-managed time amplifies the outcomes of your efforts. It prevents burnout. Effective planning reduces stress and increases efficiency. An inspirational example, Elon Musk's time-blocking method. Elon Musk organizes his day into 5-minute intervals, focusing on tasks with the most significant impact. This approach, known as time blocking, allows him to manage multiple companies simultaneously without losing focus. How to manage your time more effectively? Set priorities. Apply the 80-20 rule Pareto principle to focus on tasks that generate 80% of your results. Eliminate distractions, limit social media use, and create a productive work environment. Plan ahead. Spend 10 minutes each night organizing the tasks for the following day. Time is your most precious currency. Those who master its use achieve more in less time, setting themselves apart from the rest. Resilience and persistence, the power of never giving up. Great achievements are rarely accomplished without obstacles. Those who attain financial success share one vital trait: resilience. It's the ability to bounce back from failures and continue forward, no matter the circumstances. Why resilience is essential. Failures are inevitable. They're a natural part of any ambitious journey. They teach valuable lessons. Overcoming setbacks builds your ability to face future challenges. They shape your mindset. Persistence strengthens confidence and mental fortitude. An inspirational example, Thomas Edison's tenacity. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he famously replied, "I haven't failed 1,000 times. I've found 1,000 ways that don't work." How to cultivate resilience. View failures as learning opportunities. Each mistake is a stepping stone toward improvement. Build a support system. Friends, family, or mentors can help you stay motivated and focused. Keep your ultimate goal in mind. Reflect on why you started and use it to fuel your perseverance. The path to wealth is filled with challenges, but resilience is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. A call to action. Your journey starts now. Wealth is not a destination, it's a journey. The insights shared here reveal that prosperity goes beyond accumulating money. It's about building something greater, something that impacts lives and leaves a lasting legacy. Now, The next step is yours. Go back through these topics, choose one principle, and start implementing it today. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent actions create monumental change over time. The future is in your hands. Elon Musk often says, "The future is created, not predicted." Your future begins with the choices you make today. Whether it's investing in yourself, managing your time more effectively, or building multiple streams of income, every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. A legacy of impact. True wealth isn't just about financial gains, it's about how you use your resources to elevate others, solve problems, and make the world better. By adopting these principles, you'll not only change your life, but also inspire those around you to do the same. Your moment is now. Say it out loud. I am ready to create my future. Let this declaration guide you as you take bold actions toward a life of purpose, abundance, and freedom. The best chapters of your life are waiting to be written. Take the first step today and create a legacy that echoes for generations.